Hello everyone, I am Vijay Kapkoti, yoga teacher of DPS Haldwani Lama Chaur, presents the brief introduction of yoga. Yoga and introduction. The word yoga has been derived from the Sanskrit word yuj, that means to add, join, merge, integrate, or unite. From here comes the most important definition of yoga, that is, yoga is the union of soul to the God. There are various definitions of yoga. Maharshi Patanjali defines yoga as Yogaschit Vritti Nirodha. It means checking the thought impulses of mind is yoga. अर्थात माइंड की विचार वृत्तियों के रुकने से योग होता है। जब हम विचारों की हलचल से मुक्त होते हैं तभी ईश्वर में मन भी अधिक लगता है व तभी कार्य में एकाग्रता भी अधिक रहती है। लॉर्ड कृष्णा हैज सेड इन द भगवद गीता, योगः कर्मसु कौशलम। इट मीन्स स्किल इन एक्शन इज योगा। अर्थात कुशलतापूर्वक कर्म करना ही योग है। लॉर्ड कृष्णा आल्सो सेज इन भगवद गीता, समत्वम योग उच्यते। इट मीन्स इवननेस ऑफ टेम्पर इन जॉय एंड सॉरो। अर्थात सुख दुख आदि में समान बने रहना ही योग है। The word Yoga has been used in Vedas, Upanishad, Gita, Ramayana, Mahabharata, etc. since ancient times. It is important to know that yoga was also practiced before the Vedic period. Yoga Sutra is the first text on yoga that was written by Maharshi Patanjali. Yoga Sutra is also known as Yoga Darshana. It was written around 200 BC. In Hatha Yoga books, asanas, pranayams, etc. have been described in detail. The modern period of yoga starts from the 19th century. Ramakrishna Paramhans, Swami Vivekananda, Mahasi Aurobindo, Yogananda, Maharishi Raman, Swami Sivananda, Maharishi Dayanand Saraswati, etc. are the leading yogis of the modern age. There are several types of yoga: Bhakti Yoga, Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga, Hatha Yoga, Raj Yoga, Mantra Yoga, Shiva Yoga, Nada Yoga, Lay Yoga, Kundalini Yoga, etc. In Ashtanga Yoga, there are 8 limbs of yoga given by Maharishi Patanjali. In short, yamas are social ethics, niyams are personal ethics, asanas are yogic postures, pranayam is breathing technique, pratyahara is turning the senses inward, dharana is one-pointed focus, dhyan is meditation, and samadhi is merging the self with the God. Yoga is science as well as the art of living for a healthy, happy, and prosperous life. Thus, its effects are mostly internal. Regular practice of yoga develops and purifies body and mind to its optimal level. It gives relaxation from stress and tensions to lead a peaceful life. It cures many chronic diseases to benefit health of the individual. Yoga is the union of body, mind, and spirit. The central teaching of yoga is maintaining a calm state of mind. The ability to remain calm and centered in adverse situations is yoga. With yoga, the journey of life is more calm, fulfilling, and happier.